Wow! What the hell's going on there? That never happens. What the fuck? Nah, there's something wrong with that. That's a... Morning guys, going to be a real quick one today. Sun's out, so I'll be able to capture some data about the second-hand solar panels today. But what I noticed yesterday, while I was making the video, is that we've got way too much power coming in on that side, on the grid connected side, right? That should never really be more than 4.5 kilowatts, but it says there's more. So if I assume that right now that's making roughly 4 kilowatts, where's the other power coming from? It's got to be coming out of these. So I've been mucking around with this thing. I reset up my network. We used to use this little Moxa switch for all the power control stuff, and I got rid of it. We ended up putting in some Unify gear, and I changed the IP addresses and everything. So I suspect what's happened is this has rediscovered the inverters, and now they're on the wrong input. So like it won't cause any issues. It's only, what do you call it, like from a reporting perspective that something's gone wrong. Unfortunately I can't screen capture this, right? I've got a HDMI capture somewhere, but then I wouldn't be able to use the actual screen. But I think what's happened is when I changed the IP addresses over, these things have shown up. Yeah, look at that. I manually re-entered the IP addresses so that they wouldn't be, when I've manually re-entered them, I can almost guarantee you they're all on the AC in. I was having a heart attack yesterday going like, where's all this extra power coming from? They've got to be on the AC output. So that's all it is. So I was rushing when I was putting the new network gear in. I didn't record that, I probably should have. I didn't think about the fact that when I give these things new IP addresses, because all their names are gone as well, and if you look in my previous videos, you'll see that these were all named. And it didn't occur to me till this morning. I'm just about to set up like Grafana so that I can see the power production of each of the solar arrays and then compare them. And I was thinking to myself, hang on a minute, these things used to be named, but when I did the network changeover, the IP addresses changed, and that means that these are effectively new inverters now, right? They're not the same instance as what was there before. So, oh look at that, it's down to 3800 watts, and now we've got 2.5 kilowatts going off grid. So that's all it was. Oh, I had a bloody heart attack when I saw that yesterday. Anyway, I'm going to go get into the other stuff for the other video, and I'll see you in that one.